Aging is a complex process that results in loss of the ability to reattain homeostasis following stress, leading, thereby, to increased risk of morbidity and mortality. Many factors contribute to aging, such as the time-dependent accumulation of macromolecular damage, including DNA damage. In independent laboratory studies, gold factor, increased telomerase activity, an enzyme that protects telomeres or endcaps of DNA, and a key healthy aging marker, compared to no treatment. Consuming 1 ounce of gold factor twice a day can help you truly thrive in today's world. Supercharge your cells with gold factor.